and just it's really thin coat. How everyone doing today? Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. I'm doing really thin because later we can put some, tap it with the clear. So I'm gonna do 2 bead techniques. Pick one and lay right in the where the apex of the nails is, using the body of your brush, and give it a quick swipe, blend it out. And 2 is the second bead. You can do with different colors of nude colors. I think is this one we pick is a warm pink. It looks more like nude to me. Pick the second beads and get closer, just a hair away from the cuticles. And gently blend it down. If you feel like you want a little bit more, I think I want a little bit more right here. Just gentle touch.
Oh yeah, my phone went dead too. I gotta get my other one.
Chalk.
Yeah, I have my other one with me though.
All right, so let me see. I'm gonna get it before it's getting really dry.
You want me to grab it real fast?
Hold on. Hugh, can you grab it for her?
It should be
You
sitting
go.
over there. So anyway, the phone, my phone, phone.
Oh, your phone?
Uh huh. It's black. Cool. Thank you.
So we're gonna put it right there.
Okay, cool.
Nice, so pinky peach.
All right. Oh, can I get that tray, please? Thank you. I'm gonna add some frame on it. You can let me see if I can add some beads on it as well. If you want to add some beads and frame on this, you have to do it really like quick, because you don't want to wait until it dry. So you want it still a little bit wet, and then you can add it on. So okay, so then we have a green already. So we do this. All right. How do I do that? Because
Yes, you can always mix and match.
I want this. Okay, got it. Doesn't matter, you can go whatever you want. Pink, done. Now we'll go into yellow. And I'm gonna do it like for beginners. You wanna do a really simple ombre. Just play them about like 70% of the nails. And you tap it. Guide it down to your tips. It's really strong colors. I like this yellows a lot. I'm about like to sharing with again summer treasure box, and then we come up with this nails. Mika like to see some pastels, and then we'll put some charms in it, so it's fun. Perfect for summer nails. So I doing it not too thick, just really thin enough. This time I'm going to do one bead. Just blend it out. Use the whole body of the brush. And there's so many different ways to do ombre as well. So this is one of the way that I share with you, but however you can try the different, there's so many different fun way to do is ombre. I still want some more in here. I think I like it better. When you do ombre, just keep your powder a little bit wet so you can guide it. And blend it so much better. And I am going to add what should we do? We should do this one since it's on a big. I bent this frame already. I couldn't find the star on that one. Only starfish. Couldn't find the star on the smaller one. But it's okay. Give it one lips right there. It start dry really fast on me. So if it's necessary, if you want, you can add the one coat of the clear.
Pretty Nuna says, Nancy has short nails. Wow, no wonder the world felt lopsided.
Oh, we feel better tomorrow because you're going to see a new set by
Oh,
tomorrow.
yeah.
On Monday.
My nails?
I think it might be tomorrow.
What Nuda said about my nails?
She said you have short nails.
I know.
Oh, wow.
Do you want to see my nails? It's really healthy though. I just trimmed tons of them off. I didn't want to keep my natural nails. Okay. I really want some beads on that one. Oh my god. I know. I can't wait to get my nails done. Right. I just want some nails on it. They're set so hard already. Okay. Next one. This done. And we're going. We should do this.
Bring it in the middle.
Yeah.
There you go. No, okay. No. Yeah. Move it in the middle. Just like that. Stop. Good. Yeah. That's okay. Keep going.
If anyone have questions, let me know. Mika can let me know. Hugh can let me know, because I work in a tiny little space. Livas or Nuna or any of you ladies get chance to go visit us, definitely you'll be on my live tutorial. But you can see how I work is tiny space right here. How many? Like 6 inch? No, you think 1 foot? Maybe. No, I don't know.
I
Maybe
don't even think
tiny.
That's a foot. That's
Tiny,
a
huh?
Small space.
So then it can fit in both platform phone for all of you. Appreciate every single of you so much for the amazing love and support.
Island Beauty said how much for a set like this.
We'll just talk about that. Amazing.
Should I put it?
Yeah, Mika can share with all of you.
Alright, go for it, Mika. Or like you could just talk. You don't have to type.
Yeah.
Oh. A set like this costs $220.
All right, now the breakdown.
Breakdown? So, you're going to be charged for the length of the nail. There's different lengths, but this set here starts at 70.
No, this set start from 85.
85
I'm
And
sorry.
that's just the color itself? The
Solid
and the
color.
ombre?
for a solid color.
Okay.
Now
Solid.
there's a separate price for ombre design. Also for each step, meaning each the metal charms, the foiled glitter, and this whole finger of crystals. That's each step with the length and the shape. And to have a design on every single finger makes it 220.
So say how about you break down that first note she did, your index.
This
The
one
yellow
here? Or-
Actually, it's closer to this one, right? Like because she do the pink one. Okay. Because like she didn't put crystal on that.
Right.
It's more like your ring finger here.
That's right.
So it's gonna be like the first paint you guys see with just the metallic charm and ombre. So I want to do a quick breakdown on that, so they just kind of have a general idea.
Okay.
So it's gonna be pretty close to the one that Nancy doing right now.
Yeah, she does do a capping, a clear coat over the top of the nail art. That is what saves the actual nail art on top of the nail, because there is encapsulating and then there is jewel placement.
So Danina asked, I see that you don't do a thin clear coat. Does that mean next time you do her nail, you will soak up?
Yes, if you're doing, great question. Thank you so much for bringing that question up. So if the clients that come next time with they come in for a different design, we are gonna